Okay, let's make an affogato. Affogato means drowned in Italian because you drown ice cream in espresso. Let's get into it. I'm going to start by adding some vanilla ice cream into a glass. Now the recipe says 1 to 2 scoops, but I can't resist, so I'm adding 2. Start by purging your group head and preheating your portafilter. Remove and then dry before grinding. Next, grind your freshly roasted beans. Give your portafilter a few gentle taps like this to settle the grounds and distribute evenly before tamping on a level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure each time, then visually check the tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Place the portafilter firmly into the group head. I'm extracting a double espresso into a small jug, but feel free to use a glass or cup. What we're looking for is an extraction flow that looks like warm honey. Pour the hot espresso over the cold ice cream and let the drowning begin. Pure decadence.